Here you go. What did you say? Thank you? You're welcome. Oh. Just say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. You can say thank you. Here. Wait. Oh, not in your hand. I know, you want the spoon. You'd rather feed yourself. Say thank you. Say thank you. Here, let me get another bite. You want one more bite? I need the spoon back. I know you want to feed yourself. It's a little too messy right now, okay? Ready? What do you say? You say thank you? Say thank you. Huh? Do I get a thank you? Thank you. All right, let's try one more bite. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Did you say thank you? Thank you. Okay, give Mommy the spoon. Oh. Have a spoon back? No? You want more food? Or are you all done? I think you're all done, huh? You just want to feed yourself, huh? Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you again? Huh? Oh, careful with that spoon. Say thank you. Nicholas. 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 Ready? Let me get you more. See if you say. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. I got more, don't worry. Oh, oh. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah.